Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Magic for automated store improvements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Shopify website. Sign into your Shopify account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, click on the Shopify Magic option. If you don't see Shopify Magic listed, you may need to search for it in the Shopify App Store. Click on Install or Add App to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for Shopify Magic to access your store data. Once installed, you will see a dashboard with various options for automating store improvements. Take the time to explore the features available. You can start by selecting the recommended improvements tailored to your store's needs. Choose the specific improvements you wish to implement. Each option will provide a brief description. Read them carefully to understand their benefits. After selecting your desired improvements, click on Apply Changes to activate them. Monitor the performance of the changes over the following weeks. Adjust and tweak the settings based on the metrics and feedback provided by Shopify Magic. Don't hesitate to revisit the app regularly to discover new features and enhancements. Now you are ready to start optimizing your store with the help of Shopify Magic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.